Hello lovely people and welcome back to this channel. Today we are making sausage kebabs. So I start by cutting my vegetables into the size that I want. I have onions, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. This is an easy to make recipe, so please don't go away, and within some few minutes you have a complete view of this recipe. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share this video so that others too can benefit. To my old subscribers, I'm most grateful for always coming to watch videos on this channel. So now I'm almost through with the cutting of my vegetables, and after I finish cutting, I'll move ahead to the next step. So in my pan here, I'm just going to add some little oil, and I'll throw in my vegetables and I'll stir fry this for just 2 minutes. But this is an optional step. If you want to eat it like that, you may choose not to stir fry it. So after 2 minutes, I'll quickly set it aside. Then I'll go ahead to chop my chicken sausages. It depends on the type of sausage you also want, but I prefer to use the chicken sausage. So I've just divided them into smaller pieces. So after cutting, I'll quickly place my pan on flame. I'll add a little oil, add the sausage into it. So I'll keep on stirring this till it becomes brown. I'm adding my salt and peanut powder. This peanut powder is mixed with spices such as grains of cayenne, cayenne pepper, black pepper, calabash nutmeg, and a whole lot. But if you just want to add only the peanut powder without spices, you are good to go. So this will fry for 3 minutes, and afterwards I'll set it aside and then start the next step. So I have my steaks. So I'll pick one sausage, then I'll add some of the veggies, then I'll add the sausage again. So I'll continuously repeat this step till the whole steak is covered or filled with veggies and sausage. I'll be glad to know where you are watching me from by leaving your comments in the comment section so that I can say a big thank you for coming to watch my videos. So now everything is done and it is time for me to enjoy my kebab. I hope you do try this, and I'll be glad to see your comments. Hope you have a wonderful time